Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be seeing how CARPRO CQuartz is holding up after 4 years. So it's been 4 years since we last did a paint correction and a coating on this Audi A4. So here we go. Alright, so now we're going to test the water behavior. So this car is parked outside. It's washed maybe once a month. And yeah, let's see. Again, this is about 4 years since having been paint corrected. So initially this video was just going to be about how the ceramic coating is holding up after a few years, 4 years of it being on the car. But the day after I washed my mom's car, because I don't know, I freaking love her, and the least I could do is wash her car after it hasn't been washed in a while. So anyway, the guy comes over my house, takes pictures of the driveway, doesn't even tell me, he's just there for a surprise visit. And I have cameras, you know, all over this general area for not only my safety, but when I had a detailing business out of my garage, which I don't anymore, Mr. Chuck, the inspector. Yeah, just for my safety, everyone's safety, maybe help with the neighborhood if something happens. So just, that's why I have the cameras. But I see him drive by, take a picture, drive off real fast, and that kind of makes me paranoid just because of what I've been through. So I have mental issues that I'm trying to get over and cope with. So anyway, that was so crazy. So I called him up. He said it was a random inspection, surprise visit. But it's kind of hard to believe that it was just so coincidentally the day after I wash a car that's not regularly here, could be mistaken for a customer's car, and the very next day he comes for a surprise visit. Anyway, the reason why I say this is because someone has taken a picture of me at some point during this wash, and it's very unsettling that someone is going through these great lengths to try and, I don't know what their end goal is, honestly. It's just crazy. So, thank you to everyone who's offered up their spot, a place in their garage. It really does mean a lot to me. Highly appreciate it. And more to come after this brief break. Alright, I don't know where the sun came from, so I gotta wash off the Iron X snow foam before it dries onto the paint. So yeah, everyone that's offered up their spot in their garage or their shop, man, that is so, I don't even know what to say. That is just the most generous thing that anyone could offer. It really does mean a lot. However, I am still trying to think of creative ways to move forward with the business. One of the ideas I have is, I don't want to talk about it in this video, maybe in the next one, just because it's still in the ideas, throwing stuff at the wall phase and seeing what sticks phase and stuff like that. So anyway, thank you so much. I might take you guys up on that offer, and I hope the offer will still stand even if I take a while to decide what my next steps are. But again, just a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart, especially everyone that's subscribed here, reached out to me on Facebook, Instagram. I really feel the love. It's super cool. I love this community. Man, I don't know where this sun came from. It was gonna rain. It was gonna be cloudy. But holy cannoli, the sun is shining. Anyway, we're gonna be using CARPRO Reset for the hand wash, which will help clean up the coating. And honestly, you can use any soap just as long as it's pH neutral and has good cleaning capabilities. I personally just like CARPRO Reset because one, you can use it in direct heat. I mean, it's not recommended, but it's one of those that doesn't leave marks after you use it in direct sunlight. So I like that. And two, I just like that it's the same brand as the coating, and it just makes it a little bit easier. I do love their customer service, their website and everything. Really great people, really helpful, so I'll continue to use them. All right, now that it's all washed, oh my god, it's so hot. We're gonna see how the water behavior is after washing it with CARPRO Reset. Also, another question that was commonly asked was this the HOA? I do have an HOA, but it wasn't them, thank god. Could be worse, I guess. It could be the HOA, but it's the county, so there's really not much I can do. You know, I just honestly, for me, it's not worth the trouble. So I know I'll be, I guess, just banding Lumen Detailing as an LLC for now until I figure out what my next steps are. You know, I'm not gonna be doing details for clients anymore. I think I'm still okay with washing my friends' cars though and helping them out, because I'm still, you know, I don't know, it's a tough situation, man, because I just don't want this guy to keep coming over, wasting his time, making me go paranoid and crazy, and like my neighbor watching me wash cars. Like, that is so weird. I just don't want to have to go through that again. It took a big mental toll on me this morning, and this whole month is when this happened, last month. And random anonymous report from the neighbor, and here we are. Okay, it actually looks like the coating is pretty dead. So 4 years with CARPRO CQuartz, and yeah, that's about it. I mean, it's parked outside, washed once a month. I think if it was maintained more regularly, it would be holding up fairly stronger. So if you guys have any cool ideas on what you would like to see on the channel, even if it's not a cool idea, I'll take it, because at this point I'm still brainstorming on what to do next. So comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram. Whatever works for you, whatever floats your boat. I guess to my neighbor, dude, if you're watching this, you can just come say hi while I'm washing a car. Like, I am a pretty chill person, I think. Obviously, I'm not even confrontational. If it's whatever it is that's hurting your feelings, dude, I'm sure we can work it out. It's not that big of a deal. And lastly, to Mr. Chuck, the inspector, I know you're just doing your job. You're awesome at it. Much love to you. God bless you. And I hope that this doesn't take too much time away from your real job, because I would have been pretty pissed off too if I came to take a picture, see if this guy's trying to get sneaky under the covers or blankets, and I wasn't. So yeah, I'd be pretty upset. Alright, so the coating's holding up well in some areas, but not all. For example, right there it's doing really well, but the other side is not doing so great. Yeah, that is so weird. That one side is doing well and the other one's not. So obviously I still want to get this car protected. I don't have time to do a paint correction and ceramic coating today. Also, it's pretty freaking hot. So I'll just be protecting it with Hydro 2 Light. Super easy to use. Just spray. And spray off. Just like that, you got some protection for a few months. This will be a good example right here, because I know this door was pretty dead. As you can see, water is just staying there. That's what you don't want to happen. It means you're not protected. A couple sprays. Yeah, that's some pretty solid protection. Since it's, it only takes 2 seconds to apply. Thank you for watching the video and continuing to support me and my channel, and I guess my random business ideas, ventures. It's not even really a business idea. It's more of just like a pet project that just makes me happy. And I hope that I can continue to do that for you guys, because I want to continue to do it for myself, selfishly, because this is what keeps me, I guess, keeps my mind from going crazy. It's very therapeutic to me, making the videos. It's like a diary that my kids can watch later on when they're older. So yeah, thanks for watching, subscribing, and liking. Bye bye.